Okay, so I wasn't going to do a video, but then I changed my mind because I'm like, your hair channel, you kind of need to do one. So I started making a closure wig. It's literally just a closure. That's it. I got the hair. Don't look at me. I got the hair from Erica J, just like I did for my last one. But the bundles I got from Amazon. I'm using the box, but let me hold it up. This is the hair that I got from Amazon. And I used some of the bundles before I do a ponytail, but we got to reuse them and just wash it. I did not bleach my knots yet on my closure for that reason, because I'm like, I need to wash all the hair anyway. But there's one bundle I did not use. It is the 18-inch bundle. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like fresh out the pack. So. Ooh. I hate these T-pins sometimes. Get stuck on everything. So this is the hair. Like, this is what it looked like. It is what it is. But we gonna put it in. All right, so right now I'm just sewing down the closure. I sewed down one half of it already. It's already just down. And I'm going to sew down the other side now. I figure y'all have seen this countless times, but I'm gonna show y'all anyway. Maybe I'll do something different. I did one half already. I'm about to do the other half. So this is Lil Baby after I have washed her and bleached the knots. The frontal, as I said, is Hair by Erica J. And then this hair in the back. So let me separate it so y'all can see. This hair right here, Amazon. I think I paid like $60 for this hair. Bomb.com. Super freaking curly. Easy to comb through. All I did was co-wash it. I don't have anything in it. Literally just co-wash this bad boy. And now I'm about to attempt to bleach some of the knots, because I'm not bleach, pluck the knots, because y'all know I'm new to this. So I'm I'll pluck them and see what I could do. And then I know from last time I had a wig, I didn't separate it how I wanted it preliminarily, so I didn't like do the middle part, and so I over plucked the part kind of. I ain't trying to make the same mistake this time. And then this one, this frontal already has a few baby hairs that I'm gonna keep. Of course I'll make them shorter but later, but we about to get in to this plucking. Whatever, we done. I'm about to style this. Ooh, child, I don't know what I'm doing. Let me just. Okay, there you go.